So we're having dinner now. This is with me. Look at this. So what have you been up to? We're busy the whole morning. You know that. I just talked to you this afternoon and you want me to talk again. Napakadaldal niya. So, yeah. What's the day tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm gonna be like driving him again tomorrow. You know me, like I'm all around. Driver, katulong, teacher, nurse. Ay, may mali pala. Doctor pala. Oh my God. I'm like instructor. I don't know. I have so many jobs. And mostly teacher. Oh my God. Sige, samahan nyo na lang kami to eat. Because gusto nyo naman lagi may kasama. Sa kahit saan. Gusto nyo lagi tinitingnan ko ano ginagawa ko. Those wanna like watch what I'm doing. They don't know. I really don't know why, honestly. It's not really like a big deal, you know. What we are doing, we're just always eating. Hindi ba napansin? We're just always eating. I was wondering why is it that they don't have that much eggplant here. They mostly have sigarilyas. See this one? They have so many sigarilyas in their pinakbet. And okra. But this is their version of pinakbet. But it's good. You know what I like about this restaurant? It's not so expensive here, pero the food is good. That's what I usually like. Not so expensive, pero masarap. Even with the guys. And then, naman. Siyempre gusto ko rin talaga rich, no? Pero, yung super billionaire. Gusto ko talaga billionaire. Pero siyempre, sino na lang ibigay ni God na talagang yung mabait, ganyan, loyal, faithful, tsaka yung matapang. Siguro yun na. Mamimili pa ba ako pag nandiyan na? Ano ka ba? Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit ang tagal-tagal ibigay ni Lord ang husband. Parang aabutin pa ata ako ng 50 years old bago magka-husband. Ako na lang napag-iwanan. Lahat na ng kaibigan ko may asawa na. Ano ka ba? Siguro save the best for last.
Save the best for last so you can have it now.
Kasi wala. Siyempre naghihintay pa ako na may mag-propose. Diba? Siyempre maghihintay muna ako na may mag-propose talaga na sa harapan ko naman. No, sa online lang mag-propose, dapat sa harap ko naman. ko, kaya may boyfriend, may fiancé, sasabihin ko sa inyo lahat. Hindi kayo mahuhuli sa balita. Now, all of you are gonna get informed. Wherever I have a relationship, or a fiancé, or a husband already. Even with my marriage, my wedding, you'll know it. I won't hide it from you.
Hi, sorry for disturbing. I just want to inform that we're gonna be start with the last order. Would you like to add some?
Thank you, thank you. So, let's see. Huli naman, yung husband ko dumating na may mag-propose na dapat. Tagal eh. Mabulok na ako ng sobra-sobra na ito. Mag-propose na kasi kayo. Ako na nga nagsasabi, mag-propose na kayo. Ako na nagsasabi, mag-propose na kayo. Kasi para matapos na tong episode na to, wala akong asawa. Oh, yun na daw. Have to be gone na raw. Let them watch me while eating. It's okay. Please don't shake it. You know, as much as possible, we want to eat at home, especially when we're busy, like he needs to do something, then yeah. But if we have time, yeah, we eat outside also. If we have time. Kasi talagang super busy niya. Like, he's super busy. So many things to do. As much as we want to vlog over like, all the time, we can't. What do you want?
She asked me to refill.
Water. Hold on.
They're not serving it to me right away.
Can we have water again?
I clearly requested it 2 minutes ago.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. They have so many customers. That's right. Thank you. Okay, start eating,
It
please.
doesn't look like there's that much customers.
They have a lot of customers, for sure.
Most of those customers are not. Sorry. Most of those customers are
Yeah, but you have to wait. Usually in restaurants, you always have to wait because, like, they usually like serve the first customers, right? So yeah, and sometimes they have to like do so many things, so they tend to forget. So you have to remind them again.
so many times.
Not really so many times, but just have to like really get their attention. in a nice way so that they'll, you know, attend to you right away.
How's your response?
So, okay, I think that's gonna be it for the video.
Ano yun?